Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today I'm doing a little morning speed clean for you. I've not done a speed clean in a little while, and to be honest, I've just not been cleaning either at home. I don't know what's happened to me lately. I've totally lost my cleaning mojo, so I'm trying to get that back. It's really hard. So yeah, today I'm going to show you a little morning cleaning routine that I wish that I did every morning, because it's not something that I do. That I do. I can't stop saying it. That I do every morning. Yeah, I don't know where that sentence started now. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with the downstairs. It's looking, hey Sebby, hello. Yeah, it's looking messy. The kitchen's not looking great either. Let me just show you in the kitchen. It's just like little bits everywhere. There's a car on the table. Why? And I just hate little bits everywhere. There's a parcel here that is for my mum because she lives abroad and she always gets parcels sent here. So it's just annoying. It's really annoying. Can you stop it? We've got some Henry bags just sitting there. Like, I hate stuff that's just sitting around. So I'm going to start with the downstairs. There's socks as well. There's just socks on the buffet. And my jacket and my belt. Stuff everywhere. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to start down here and then work my way up. And I'll show you what the upstairs is looking like once I finish the downstairs. So let's just start. Give me some motivation, please. Much done. Music's loud. I need loud music when I'm cleaning. So now I've just got a little pile here that I've got to take upstairs. And yeah, I'm just going to clean like the surfaces and stuff, and then we're going upstairs.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Okay, now I'm going to go upstairs and I'll show you what kind of state the upstairs is in. So when the kids get ready for school in the morning, everything's just left. Okay, let's spin it around. So this is Leo's room. It actually doesn't look that bad. Obviously I've got to make the bed. Other than that, it's alright. Pretty happy with that. So this is me. For some reason I've left my pyjamas there. I don't know why. And I've got to put all these clean pyjamas away. That was a top that I was going to wear and then I didn't. And then that's what I dressed from yesterday, so that's probably what we're going to wash. But I do try and make the bed in the mornings, but then the kids come on the bed and start jumping on it, so it gets a bit messy. But it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Shove the iron cupboard. Toilet roll just always seems to be on the floor. Who knows why. And then the Ava's room just needs a little bit of a tidy. Do you know what? It's not as bad as I thought it was. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, I do need to hoover up here. Whether I'll film that or not, I don't know. Because, I don't know, I just can't get the right angles when I hoover. It's a problem. So yeah, I'm just going to pick some stuff up then. Make it just look a little bit more presentable. And then my morning routine after that would be probably to have like some porridge or something. Wait about half hour, 40 minutes. And then go to the gym. And then when I come back, I will like edit this video or do some like other admin email-y stuff, and then by that time it is usually time to pick the kids up from school, and then they have their after school clubs and stuff. But this is only a morning routine. I can do an afternoon routine another time. I didn't really need to do much there, but it looks better anyway. I don't think I've done a speed clean since I had the house decorated either. It's nice though. Ava's got this wallpaper up in her room, which is the same as our downstairs wallpaper as well. So yes, now I'm going to make my bed and Leo's bed. We're pretty much done.
If I could take you up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
I'm going to do the bathroom because that's just like a day job in itself and it would just take me ages. I don't think I'm willing to commit to that time right now. Maybe when I'm back from the gym, but I really want to get to the gym because if I leave it too late I just won't go. But yeah, that is it. That was just a really quick cleaning morning routine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I would love if you'd give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!